Why there's so much interest in the private space now compared to when I started in the early 90s, there's a couple of things, right? There's certainly more private companies, right? And so there's more opportunities to invest in those types. I think that's where we should start this part of the conversation is access has become easier. And when I started, here was the typical private equity strategy I would recommend to a potential client. First off, you were locking up your money for 12, 15 years. Second, you're committing a dollar amount up front, but they would request, we call these capital calls, the money typically over 3 to 5 years with no consistency of when or how. You talked about earlier, you're going to have liquidity buckets or other parts of your portfolio that can fund these capital calls in the future.
Subscribe to never miss an episode of the Trends with Benefits podcast.